Hello, I'm here with the tie-dye vigilante and doing an unboxing from Amazon. 3/8 cordless drill. Pretty cheap, so let's see. Went to local Harbor Freight and they were all sold out. The earthquake one, I was going to buy that. Pretty good review. Makes sense. Want a box? Plastic so you don't choke on it. Box number 2. One had the option to buy it in a hard case. One had the option to buy it without a hard case. Which was weird because without the hard case it was more expensive. With the hard case it was cheaper. I don't understand. Guess which one I got. Warning, may I have your attention, please? If you've received a defective, wrong, or incomplete item, please contact lambz customer service for new replacement. Alright. Some kind of warranty. Check this out. I'm not sponsored by these guys either. Just opening stuff. Original lithium-ion battery. Come here, Bubba. You good? Mucky nugget? Alright. Electric wrench grease. Not quite sure what it says underneath that. Probably electric wrench grease. Oh. Okay, weird. It says 18 volt. When I bought it online it said 16.4 volt. I have to get a tester and see what it really is. Charger doesn't weigh anything at all. 16.8 volts at 0.8 of an amp. Charge that thing up. Sockets are all over the place. Let's see what came with there. 15, 16, 14, 13, 12, 11. No 10 mil. Come on, guys. Did come with 2 batteries, though. Kind of heavy. Batteries are light. This feels kind of cheap. Battery indicator. We'll see though. Looks good so far. I mean, beats sitting there going. So we'll try it out. I'll charge these batteries all the way up and then go outside and work on something. And I will let you know or let me know what you think of this thing. Like I said, this claims like 30 or 40 pounds. Like I said, I'm not sure. It also says 0 to 300 RPMs. I know some of them are 800 RPMs, like the better quality, more expensive ones up in there, a couple $100. You know what I'm talking about, the good brands. But we will we'll see, man. Hopefully this does alright. Looks like it'll fit right in there. 3/8 ratchet. I mean, is what it is. I think it was $60. 2 amp hour batteries. Like I said, it says 18 volt here, but the charger says 16.8, so it's most likely 16.8. Anyways, my review so far would be cheap, but it works. So 2 batteries, I guess $60. That's probably worth it. This is probably gonna break. I'd say this is gonna be the first thing. Yeah, I don't even want to mess with it. This is gonna break, guaranteed. The rest of it looks alright though. It looks usable. Looks like you can drop it on the ground a little bit. You know what I mean? It's probably not gonna break the first time you drop it. So I would buy it. I'd buy it again. So this is a lambz brand, and they had like 10 different models of this thing with a bunch of different stickers on it. You could tell it was all the same. Anyway, kids here, wife's here, so I'm gonna get back to the family life. Thank you guys for watching. The tie-dye vigilante unboxing. For $60, I'd buy it, especially if you don't already have one. It's a good tool to have. Thank you. Have a good day.